Focus your attention in the area of your heart. Imagine your breath is flowing in and out of your heart and chest, breathing a little slower and a little deeper than before. Make a sincere attempt to experience a regenerative feeling, such as appreciation or care for someone or something in your life. Think about having a re-experience of the feeling you had for someone you love, or a pet, a special place, or an accomplishment. And try to focus on a feeling of calm and ease. Now breathe through your nose and close your eyes. Taking your time, count slowly and silently in your mind. And as you breathe in, 2. As you breathe out, 2. Let's repeat that for the next minute. Taking your time, count slowly. And as you breathe in, 2, 3. And as you breathe out, 2, 3. Continue with this breathing for the next minute. Taking your time, count slowly. As you breathe in, 2, 3, 4. As you breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Repeat this breath for the next minute. And taking your time, count a little more slowly this time. As you breathe in, 2, 3, 4. And as you breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat this breath for the next minute. And now finally taking your time, count even more slowly. And as you breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's repeat this breath now for the next minute. Feel your belly expand and your chest rise. And exhale through the nose. Work to let all the air out. Inhale again, feel as expansive as you can, no limit to your breath. And exhale slowly and completely. Inhale through the nose, no limit to the breath, expand fully. And exhale, smooth and complete. Namaste.